Before high-tech athletic footwear, before performance sneakers, before modern training equipment, there were karate shoes. Lightweight, flexible, purpose-built. They were never designed for fashion. They were created to support disciplined movement. Karate itself began on the islands of Okinawa. For centuries, practitioners trained barefoot, developing balance, precision, and direct contact with the ground. Bare feet strengthened technique, improved stability, and reinforced awareness of every movement. As karate spread beyond traditional dojos, training expanded into schools, sports halls, and public facilities. Some environments required footwear that protected the feet, without sacrificing the natural feeling of barefoot practice. The answer became minimalist karate shoes, designed to preserve flexibility while adding a thin layer of protection. The science behind karate shoes begins with minimal construction. Unlike heavily cushioned athletic shoes, karate shoes use thin, flexible soles. This allows practitioners to feel the floor, maintain balance, and generate force efficiently through the feet. Lightweight canvas, synthetic microfiber, and breathable mesh reduce unnecessary weight. Rubber outsoles provide dependable grip, while remaining flexible enough to support rapid pivots and directional changes. Construction reflects decades of sports engineering. Wide toe boxes allow natural foot movement. Low-profile heels promote proper posture. Reinforced toe caps improve durability during repetitive drills. Soft interiors reduce friction. Secure lace or slip-on designs keep the shoe stable throughout training. Every feature supports precision rather than excess. As karate gained worldwide recognition, karate shoes became valuable training equipment in many dojos, particularly where hygiene, indoor flooring, or local regulations encouraged footwear. Manufacturers refined their designs, improving grip, breathability, and durability, while preserving the minimalist philosophy central to the art. Psychologically, karate shoes represent discipline. Their simplicity reminds practitioners that mastery depends on technique, not equipment. They support movement without becoming its focus. Modern innovation continues advancing martial arts footwear. Recycled performance materials reduce environmental impact. Computer-designed outsole patterns improve traction. Breathable textiles increase comfort. Digital manufacturing enhances consistency. Artificial intelligence assists engineers in optimizing flexibility while minimizing material waste. The future combines traditional martial arts values with responsible innovation. Today, karate shoes are used in training halls across the world. Their materials continue evolving. Their construction continues improving, yet their purpose remains unchanged. Every flexible sole supports controlled movement. Every carefully stitched panel reflects thoughtful engineering. Every lightweight design reminds us that true strength does not come from heavier equipment, but from disciplined practice, repeated, one step at a time.